You are going to love the 2014 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today. Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile Powertrain Limited Warranty, a comprehensive 150-point inspection, 10 years of roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.